So over the last few weeks, I've been taken to unboxing and taking a look at some of the budget smartwatches that are available on the market today. And today I'm going to be taking a look at the new Kospet Tank T3 Ultra, provided to me by Kospet for the purposes of this video. And this could be one of the best all-round budget smartwatches on the market. It costs you about 160 quid off Amazon. So let's take a look at its features. The Kospet Tank T3 Ultra 2 is definitely built like a tank. It features a robust metal frame combined with high-strength polymer materials designed to absorb shocks and resist damage. And the watch's bezel is reinforced with metal just to help with the overall durability of the watch. And one of the standout features of the Tank T3 Ultra 2 is its IP69K and military standard certification. This means the watch is not only waterproof up to 50 meters, but also resistant to dust, high pressure and extreme temperatures. The IP69K rating specifically ensures that the device can withstand high temperature water jets, making it suitable for environments where exposure to water and debris is definitely common. And the rugged design extends to its shock-resistant properties, with Kospet claiming the Tank T3 Ultra 2 can survive drops up to 1.5 meters onto concrete surfaces without sustaining significant damage. This makes it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, construction workers, and those prone to accidental drops. And the 1.43-inch AMOLED display protected with sapphire glass offers some really great scratch resistance compared to regular tempered glass. But you also do get a tempered glass screen protector in the package with the watch, so you generally got really great protection. And of course, naturally, that tempered glass screen protector that's on the Tank T3 Ultra 2 isn't designed to withstand those drops, because in that second drop that I demonstrated, it landed on its face and it shattered that tempered glass screen protector. So just bear that in mind. You're not going to get the best protection from that tempered glass screen protector, but if you go by the rest of the design, you should get some great protection. And the AMOLED display provides vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent visibility in direct sunlight. And with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, the display is sharp, making it easy to read notifications, fitness metrics, and a lot more. The touchscreen is highly responsive, and the UI is designed to be user-friendly, with smooth transitions and customizable watch faces that allow personalization. And you also get a 470 mAh battery on the Tank T3 Ultra 2, which can give you between 12 to 15 days of daily use of battery life and up to 50 days in standby mode. So you get some pretty decent battery life. I've been using this on and off for the last few weeks, and I think I've only charged it once. So yeah, battery life has been absolutely great. And you also get other features like a compass, an altitude tracker, and an air pressure tracker. So when you're out hiking, you can check all of those information. And then of course you get the usual notifications with apps like WhatsApp and Facebook, full music and camera control and weather updates. So a full plethora of other features on this watch to make it a real all-round smartwatch. So in this very quick review, how does the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra 2 compare to some of the other smartwatches I've got in my collection? So I've got Blackview W50, AGM Watch Legion, and the Ucatel BT80. Now, two of these are only about 30 to 40 quid, and the AGM Watch Legion is about 70 to 100 quid, depending on if you get a voucher on Amazon. So the Tank T3 Ultra 2 is a far superior watch in terms of its build quality compared to all of these other watches. Of course, you are paying more. You're paying between 140 and 160 quid, dependent again if there's any vouchers on Amazon. There is one to make it 140 quid. That all stainless steel design is really durable, and it's a really premium feeling smartwatch, and that wristband is really comfortable as well. So in terms of the overall use of the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra 2, it's definitely a watch I would recommend if you're looking for a smartwatch that doesn't cost a huge amount of money, but it offers a lot of features that you need from a smartwatch in terms of fitness tracking and your altitude and barometer, all that information if you're going out hiking. And then of course it's very reliable in terms of notifications, got a nice intuitive app. Overall, a really great smartwatch to use. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the Tank T3 Ultra 2. Is it one you'd consider buying, or would you go a different way? Would you pick one up that's a little bit cheaper, or would you go the other way and pick one a little bit more expensive? Drop a subscribe on the channel if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.